How to fix fail to download or apply critical settings in Roblox. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, search for run and type temp in there, TEMP, and click on enter. Click on continue. In here, click on one file and then click on Ctrl+A. It will select all the files. After all the files are selected, simply click on delete option. After you click on delete option, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on continue. You can also skip some of the file if you want. After that, simply open run again. Make sure you write TEMP and in front of TEMP, make sure there is %sign in both the side. Press OK and click on one file. Then click on Ctrl+A. All files will be selected. Then simply click on delete. Click on continue. You can also skip some of the files. Again, go to run and search TEANMGR and enter. Select data. Select the file you want to delete. Then simply click on OK. After pressing on OK, click on delete files. And then go to Microsoft Store and download Roblox. And your problem will be fixed. That's how you fix fail to download or apply critical settings in Roblox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.